For democracy to work, people like you and me need to get involved. But getting people to participate is not easy, especially when so many are turned off by politics. My students and I study grassroots organizations to better understand the best ways to build a sustained and diverse engagement that leads to lasting social change. Most people think that the best activism draws out large numbers of people, so organizers try to make it as easy as possible to take part. Imagine those emails asking you to donate or click on one link to send a note to your senator. But our research shows that another strategy is to focus on relationships. When people are committed to each other, organizers can push them to do more. Because they belong, they are more likely to get involved, not just once, but over and over again. So, an email campaign might get bigger numbers of outraged people, but fostering relationships will better bring people together to build power for change. Organizations all over the world are using our research to engage people in public life. It's been exciting to hear that our work has helped fight inequality and win victories for important causes like environmental justice and civil rights. And that's my research in 60 seconds.